Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are well and enjoying the weekend. So in the last week many viewers have sent me mails and messaged me directly that they have gained a lot of profits after watching my channel, after watching my videos. So thanks to all of them, and they also requested me to post the view or my perception for the coming week on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hence I thought to prepare this video. So let me just share my thought. After the blockbuster last week, in the last day, that means on Friday, I gained some profit on the upside. As you know, in my last video I told that I won't go short until and unless it breaks the low of this candle. So I was waiting that where the price goes. It opened higher, and in my Telegram channel also, before the market started on Friday, I posted that there is a possibility of bounce back. So I posted the levels also. Please do join my Telegram channel to get those few message updates. Nothing to worry about. I'll just put the link of my Telegram channel in the description box. So let me just tell you the process at first. You need to click the link I'll share of Telegram channel also. At first I'll share the Telegram channel link, then below that I'll share the broadcast channel link. So you need to click the Telegram channel link, which will directly take you to the Play Store app, and that Telegram app will get downloaded in your mobile. And after that you just click the link of my channel, after which it will directly take you to my channel and you will be able to see the posts then. So my friend, here you know that I have shared about this proprietary indicator which I prepared by coding in this trading view. So you can say it's a indicator, it's a thread, it's a signal giving line, anything you like. So my friend, you see here I got the signal in this candle when my tool gave a breakout from this red color downward sloping line. Here you see the downward sloping line. So it gave a breakout on the upside, you see. So I got the conviction that yes, the global market is positive, like Dow is positive, like the CAC, all the futures basically. So all the futures contract in the global indices like Dow, CAC, Nikkei, Asian market actually, then Chinese market. So all were positive. So along with that I got a signal over here. Now that conviction inside me increased that yes, price should rise from here. Clear? So I went with some few lots because I was stuck with some of my other works also, hence I didn't apply with huge quantity. So I went with few lots in futures. So I executed my long position around this high of this candle. That means the next candle of the signal candle. So the signal candle is this red one. I went long in this candle, and the execution or the level at which I went long is 918. That means 10,918. This green colored line you can see. So I had a target of this high of this candle because last day, that means on Thursday, price opened with a gap down in this candle. So I made a target of this one. The high of this candle is 11,015. So I squared off my positions at 11,015. Though price went few points above that, I missed it out. That's fine with me because I went 10,920 to 11,015. So it's almost 100 points, you can understand. So 100 points and one lot turns to around 75, and I had some around 5 lots. So 5 into 75 into this 95, that means 11,015 minus 10,920. So 95 points and 75 into 5 lots. Now what is the probability of Nifty to go on the upside or downside. Let me just share the range at first. At the upper side, I mean on the upside, Nifty has a very good resistance level around this blue colored line, that is 11,181. Clear? And on the downside, let me just squeeze the chart a bit. On the downside, it's the low of this candle, that is you can say 10,800. So 10,800 and 11,181. These two levels are my upper range and lower range, or you can say upper limit or lower limit. So once price breaks either of this side, it can be 11,181 on the upside or 10,800 on the downside. Once it breaks, you will see further momentum will get initiated, and I will tell you the levels also up to which it can go. If it breaks on the upside, then it can go up to 11,400 to 440. So 11,180 or 11,200 थोड़ा सा राउंड ऑफ करके to 11,400 or 440, to it means around 200 to 250 points. And if it breaks on the downside, that means 10,800, then it can come to around this 10,550 or you can say 500. Then also you will get around 250 points up to 550. So it's a good possibility. Keep tracking Nifty, because until and unless this range is broken, it will hover inside this range. Once it goes over here, you can short by looking at other things, not blindly short, because it may give a breakout on the upside also. So keeping all other things constant, if I say, you need to look at the price action at first, whether it breaks or whether it comes down from here, then execute your positions accordingly. And same on the downside. So mark these levels, because these levels are very important. Now let me just show you Bank Nifty. So my friend, I missed Bank Nifty in the last week. I have shared that thing in my earlier videos also. So in Bank Nifty, what happened is it is really under a lot of pressure currently. You know that a lot of NPAs is going to come, and it has already started coming. So I have drawn a downward sloping line from the day of 31st of August 2020. I mean, when the market sold off drastically due to the news of SEBI new margin rule. So from the high of that day, I have extended this red downward sloping line, you see. Now presently price is around 21,050 or 60, you can say, correct? So from here, if it breaks and goes upside also, the target would be around this 21,250 to 300. Clear? So once it comes to around 21,250 to 300, then it will face a resistance again. And yes, if it breaks, then the next resistance level would be around this 21,450. But yes, let me just share one important event that is going to happen on Tuesday. That is, for the last few months, moratorium case is going on in Supreme Court. So the verdict date was postponed, and the date is 28th of September. That means Tuesday. So on Tuesday, Supreme Court is going to give the verdict, the final verdict on the moratorium issue, that whether the interest on interest during the moratorium period, that means from March to August end, will be charged or not. So as per the street expectation, or the Dalal Street expectation, you can say that street expects that Supreme Court will waive off this interest. So again, if it gets waived off, then you will see some drastic fall in Bank Nifty and other banks also. So you know what the verdict will be, the final verdict will be, we don't know, but it's just an expectation that it will be some kind negative. So be prepared for Tuesday. Don't go blindly in Bank Nifty. It's better to go in Nifty currently, because you know in Bank Nifty a lot of confusions are there until and unless that Tuesday gets over. So again, I'll be sharing my view once that Tuesday verdict comes out on Bank Nifty. So please be cautious about it. So that's all I wanted to make on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope it would add some value. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your near and dear ones. And yes, I'll post another video on gold and silver. Please do watch that also. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday evening. Goodbye.